was good. If you are interested in eating with me, then here we go. I'm gonna use my bag as yeah, okay. Now because I'm not a heathen, I'm gonna put this on top of it because that one-piece bag was not cheap. Here's what I have. It has, I already started eating. It has salmon, avocado, dried cherries, and Taylor Farm salad. And the salmon's wild caught, but I buy it frozen, already marinated. I don't have time for the theatrics of trying to make the food. Oh, and club crackers. And then yeah. Oh, and then dressings. You know what I really want right now? A Red Bull. But I have water. And for the dressings, I have some toasted sesame from Trader Joe's, ranch, and the Taylor Farms dressing, the maple bourbon bacon or something like that. Yeah. I could have added more things to the salad, but I kept it simple. And I'm at the park. I took a break from walking, came back to my car and got my lunch. Or breakfast. Because I haven't eaten today, so yeah.